There's two blokes there. I've got no range on him at all.
Right, you're on the right hand side. Can you suppress the top window? That's what I'm doing. Stop in.
Keep firing! Uh-oh, I think that was my gun just broke.
No!
Yeah. Yeah, that's this piston strip. Oh fuck, give us a car, let's go back to the car. That's the whole fucking magazine empty, that's why. Right, back to the car I go. By the concrete triangle, Steve.
Where?
Concrete triangle. See what I mean? Upstairs, we
Run upstairs! Run upstairs! Run here! Run up! Fucking like good. Go! Go! Keep on there. Three, two of them there.
Come on, mate.
Sorry, mate.
Alright, ready? Alright, Paul, you ready?
Down as well. Empty, move in.
Come on, let's go! Hey! Alright! Good man! There you go, somebody poking his head around the corner, straight through now, on the wall. Take him out! Go in! See that guy in there, shit? See that broken window? I would aim about, you know, about a fucking metre or two to the left.
Yeah, that's it.
Downstairs, downstairs. That must have got you. Fucking hell, we just had a storm. They just attempted to storm this building in front. I just fucking tried shooting there, they weren't taking it. Move back in, Steve. Stuart, we're taking fire! Oh. Bye-bye!
Beautiful. That felt good. Three of them all onto the same wall.
Well, one's still in there.
There's still more, isn't there?
Right, you ready?
Come on, boys! Get in there!
Hang on!
You're all right, mate. Go blue! Go, good. Just. I shot Trevor in the mouth.